Hi and welcome to this tutorial on personalized table views in OBS ERP. When working with tables, it's important to be able to see the information that's most relevant to you. That's why personalized table views are so useful. They allow you to customize the table to fit your needs. Let's get started by creating our first personalized table view. We can do this by adding a new column or changing the place of existing ones. To add a new column, simply select the column you like to add and press the plus. Once you've added the new column, you can drag and drop it to the desired position. If you want to remove a column, simply click on the trash icon. Once we have created our first personalized table view, we can add, remove, and reorder columns to make it even more personalized. We can also create more personalized table views by clicking on Create New button. This will create a new view that you can customize to fit your needs. Finally, we can switch quickly between the different table views by clicking on the Views dropdown and selecting the view we want to see. And that's it. Personalized table views in OBS ERP make it easy to customize your tables and get the information you need at a glance. Thank you for watching.